Are you terrified your dog's next selfie will tag you in another chain bark? Or maybe your pup's dramatic post got more likes than your vacation pics? I think I messed up. Now my dog thinks she's an influencer. So apparently if dogs had social media, every post would be a blurry nose selfie. Caption, taking a break for my mental chew health, Lincoln bark. And don't even get started on the chain posts. Tag 10 friends or you'll dream of the vacuum tonight. The comment section, pure chaos. Fluffy, you dropped your treat at daycare. Who's your groomer? Spill. And the drama. Oh, the drama. Unfollowing anyone who won't play fetch at 3 a.m. Honestly, should I be worried my dog gets more engagement than me? Smash that like if your dog would totally go viral.